This is job number 10688. It's a 13-inch MacBook Pro from 2012, and as you can see, it does have liquid damage. Something was spilled on it, and you can see a lot of it around the battery and other parts. You'll see some corrosion along the MagSafe port and all along all the other ports. You can see this corrosion going on right there and right there. This is on the underside of the keyboard. You can see the liquid damage there. So what we did was we cleaned all the parts of all the corrosion with alcohol and a swab, and then we reassembled everything and put it back together, and now it works. You can see the backup drive below, and I'm going to boot it up right now. Remember, this had all the liquid damage, and as we can see, it's booting up just like it should. And see, there you go. And not has me.